monumental sound. The blueprint changes, but the foundation remains total control. No need to rush, just a steady stride on the asphalt. A vibration rising high, never gonna hold. It's that baseline rhythm making heads nod slow. Every rhyme is a seed that we're about to grow. You don't have to scream to be heard in the speaker. It's that raw elegance for the silent seeker. The architect is at the desk drawing new lines. A new world rising where the golden sun shines.
It's a dance of the mind on a rhythm of steel. Oh, feel it taking over. You know that it's real. The bass is the leader. The choir will rise. The blueprint is here. No need for disguise. Right. The steps are precise.
Everything is exact, just as we promised.
It's not about speed. It's just total control.
The blueprint, a monumental soul. Footprints on the pavement, a sign of identity. Heavy words spoken with a calm intensity. We remain constant while the world starts to fade. Music is the sanctuary that we have made. We don't seek the cheap applause under neon lights. We are the foundation, reaching for the heights. Every single syllable is placed with care. A monumental blueprint beyond compare.
From the first spark to the final echo.
The foundation is solid.
It's a dance of the mind on a rhythm of steel. Feel it taking over, you know that it's real. You know that it's real. The bass is the leader. The bass is the leader. Choir will rise. The blueprint is here. No need for disguise. No need for disguise.
A monumental soul. I see the grid, I see the patterns in the dark. Every frequency we drop is like a holy spark. From the 97 crates to the digital stream. We're the wake-up call inside a world that's lost in a dream. It's a legacy, emotion, watch the chrome wheel spin. Solid on the outside, peaceful deep within. We don't follow trends, we just set the tone. Building up an empire on a rhythmic throne.
It's all in the play, higher than the tower, deeper than the roof.
Laying it down.
Break that, break no shortcut. Blueprint isn't just a map. It's a vision. It's about knowing exactly where you stand before you take the first step. From the concrete canyons to the open sky, we remain monumental.